to go to dollar store, and as you can see, I have my camera on and a little stuff. So you'll wonder why I have this, or you don't wonder, I don't know. Well, will you wonder if you're wondering why I have this stuff in my hand? As you can see, my vein popped out. I don't think you can see the camera really well, but my vein popped out, so I gotta wear this until it fits. Wait, let me do something real quick. So we're in Dollar Tree now. Well, we're almost there. We need a parking lot. This is a really nice view. Just kidding. Well, it doesn't look like sunny outside. It looks like I don't know. It looks like fall somehow. Oh look, guys, it's summer now. It's not summer. Well, it's summer, but it's really hot outside. Well, let me. Ow, this hurts. So let me open the door. So we got out, and I'm closing the door now. Oh well. Well, I gotta pause the video a little bit so we could get to dollar store. So bye bye. See you when we're done. So hi guys, we haven't got to dollar store yet, but we stopped to look at this. I don't know why, but okay. I guess we're going to dollar store now. It's just around the corner. So, well, dollar store, Dollar Tree. You can call it whatever you want. So guys, I wonder if you wanted to do this. I want you to comment down below if you want the series of my plushies or like you know, a TV show, but I will make basically almost a live.
4 weeks. Say hi. Thank you.
Es para mariposas.
Para coger la basura de la cocina.
Pero es de mariposas. Bueno. Son bici.
¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué vas a ver?
No, estoy caminando por aquí porque
¿Para qué venimos acá?
puedo dar una vuelta aunque sea.
¿Pero qué querías comprar?
Yo.
¿Esta red?
Sí, y quería ver si hay lo que necesito para el lente.
Pero no es.
No sé, pues. Guys, I teleported to the forest. No, I'm kidding. I'm still there only in the flower aisle. These are books. We need a pole. I don't care.
Mira esa red. Mira.
Estos chiquititos. So we're in the, I don't know, aisle. I don't know about anything. Oh, look. I don't, what is, oh. This is a wash that you use for your mouse. So I'm basically looking for stuff in here, but I can't find any now. This is the food aisle. Oh, look, marshmallows. I don't really like marshmallows anymore. I don't know why. Now I don't know, but this is like a little aisle. I have this. Oh, sunglasses. What is this? Oh, those are the things, so. Okay, so let's head back. Maybe I skipped some aisle. So I heard of these no glue slimes, so I'm gonna try to find it. Wait, what is this? No, this is not swab. I wanted that. Because that it makes no glue slime. I guess there's none here. Guys, give a thumbs up if you want to make a non-glue slime. So this is a nail polish thing. Oh, popcorn thingies, but no, we're not here for that. I wonder where the... Are you kidding me? Boy. Here we have snacks, and I'm feeling hungry, but I just ate, so not eating anything for now. So I guess there's not slime stuff here, but I guess we should look some more. I just found Elmer's glue here, but I don't know where was it. So, oh, here it is, Elmer's glue. But I don't want this because I have a gallon of the white glue. What I want is clear glue. These are erasers. Oh, these are the cool stuff that is like that, but it's gummy thing. Let me search for someone. Be right back. So this is like the medical stuff. Look, Nutella things, but no. What is this? Fruit smoothie, sweet. What is that? What kind of thing is that? Tell me in the comments what is that, because I don't know what it is. Here we got some nail polish. Oh, this looks kind of cute. Oh my god, no, this is literally nail polish. I should buy some. But no. Look at this glittery one. So this is for making slime. I didn't know you can make slime with this. You have to use a purple or blue one. And these are container things, which I can put the detergent or whatever you use to make slime. Wait a second. Oh, look. What is this? Bath Burst, the pale pink perfumes. Oh, this is a bath bomb. Let's search more over here. So we got lotion on the go. What the heck is that? Is this? What the heck? Let's search for some things that I gotta search over here. There's not the things that I want. There's nothing here that I want. Guys, if you're going to do slime, just think you could search at dollar store, but in Connecticut, in Bridgeport dollar store, never search things for slime because there's not anything in really here in summer. So yeah, don't search in here while you're in summer. Let's see, nothing here, nothing there. Oh look, I could use this. Make my slime not sticky. Shading cream. Which one should I buy though? Should I buy this one or this one? I think this one. Or this one. Is that how I used before? I think I'll buy one of these. Yes, I'll tell my mom I want to play this one. Let me search where is she though. So I just went over here. We're gonna go this way. And one here. Guess we're gonna go search over here. I get lost a lot in this aisle, so I don't know why. Comment down below why I might get lost on aisles, because I always get lost on aisles. I don't know why. Oh, here we are. Mira, mami, aquí.
Yo no traje plástico.
Dice.
Mira la bolita.
Show. hours off. So we're gonna ask my mom. So we're gonna see how much is this. I forgot where it was. Maybe it's right here. Nope, it wasn't right here.
Ya vamos por el
Vale $1 esto.
Okay, so we gotta go, but first I gotta see how much is this. Acá. So here it is. Are you kidding me? It doesn't say how many this costs. Are you kidding me? Oh, well, I think we got some issue here. No, no dice cuánto es, pero bueno.
Mire para allá. ¿Cuánto valdrá, mija?
Ah, no sé. Pero como es $1, so no creo que valga mucho. So we gotta go here. There's a baby crying.
Mire los muñequitos de las calabazas. Mira lo que está cute bees.
So there's a baby crying over there. And a lot of people over here. So when we're done, I'm gonna make a video about this. I'm gonna make a fluffy slime. Yeah, fluffy slime. With this shaving cream though. How many does this even smell? I don't smell anything here.
Voy a ponerle
Look, Oreo things. I don't know. Oh look, I always wanted one of these. You're asking me, why don't I have one of these? It costs like $1 or $2. You see, I have money, but I want to spend it on FNAF plushes. For example, I want Chica plush, I want Bunny's plushie. I already got Fountain Foxy's plushie. I have Freddy's and Cupcakes plushie. I want the Foxy's plushie. I want the Mangoes, Toy Bunnies, Toy Chicas plushie, and Toy Freddy's plushie, and I don't know. Oh well. So we're gonna put in this. We didn't really buy anything, only this and this. I don't know why I bought that. So we're gonna go over here.
Pero le doy una semana, ¿cómo le hace sacar a que todo el mundo le toque?
So that will be basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and bye bye.